There's some persista culture for you. Look at all these ants. They just don't give this road a break. Yeah, this road is starting to feel like my bush TV. I've been on this road so much this week. The guys on a nearby farm are having an issue with malaria. Their manager isn't available, so I had to sort out some malaria guys. I see Miss Geoffrey didn't make it. You see what happens when you try to take on this one-eyed clown show gang. Really time to start listening and learning, and just for the record, I am not suicidal. I might be on a suicide mission, yes. Look, I built this way too fast. This clay isn't even properly dry yet at the bottom. So in light of this, there's some discussion in the comments. This here is my little experimental wall of wattle and daub. But the termites, they don't give us a break. They ate all of these. Well, there are some, but yeah, that's what happens.